karate. Now they like a rifle. Mixing that shot, he said I know for them. Love the watching, chatting like a beeping time of it. So I said, so trying to mix up the original. Never mix the marijuana plant. I found the rent that shit, no feel I need something, no naughty, say no fashion shit. Yes, sir. I'm a from the girls of caramel. Freaky when she read the book, she know when she feel classy. Talking about that slim girl, mixing that party like that, she have a smile waist. And what she says she love, jumping on the surface, mixing that. Talking about the church, she keep more time. I'm a naughty peanut, level. I go make the mistake. Bonus and pull up. Bonus and pull up. We don't really pull up still, but if you say pull up, I'll pull up. Pull up. Hey. I'm going to put it down here. I'm a device say, whoa. Get up on our money. I'm on a brush like a pitbull. Clapping like a rifle. For them, look the watching, chatting like a peeping Tom and mix with a motor. So try to mix up in the original. Never mix the marijuana plant. I know the rest that trend, no figure mix up with the naughty, say no fashion trend. Can't come and tell man, but I must know the girls in caramel, a little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy. Talking about a slim girl. She have a small waist. What she says she love? Dumpling on the saltfish mixing up. Church chicken more than teriyaki. We have the peanut and blend up with the mashing and riding on the cycle. What's gonna happen when the mommy mix it poppy? 9 months later, baby, wrap up in and happy. Love on the Jamaican filter rich mix with the happy. I'm talking about the duffel bag, mix with the Yatachi earwa. Hey man, a dancer, Al Capone mix with the Gatti. Champion, Muhammad Ali mix it rocky. Man, a real top, no travel in a jalopy. Pull up in a Rolls Royce mix with a Bugatti. Hello for Norman, we mix them never shabby. No say if I the reggae and the dance, I'll be happy. Talking about the slide on bar mix with the rabbit. Slide on bar, me watch them people here. A slide on bar, me don't say no. Who love slide on bar? Watch out. Alright, people slide on people here. Alright. I don't want to know here, you know. No one here them keep a party on the boat here. I remember if I'm Miami with there or Bahamas or Pajama party. Some of the women are wicked. Level. I say all kind of things that I did. I say granny nighty to lingerie. Cover my eye? No. And Mikey said, you have eyes let him see or something like that. I don't remember what the Sunday school said. You have ears let them hear or something like so. So talking about my island for look, so I look. And I saw quite a bit that night. But here my thing now, sometimes the ladies say, we around the world we are expressing ourselves, especially upon love and harmony. But when you're where you're and you look certain way, I'm going to look for you. If you look back for me, just look out fast. Don't look in my eye and anything there. Cause girl, your love. Oh girl, your love. You know somebody said, hey, I know me make you catch it one straight. I know me make you my wife it up and she can get away. Say I know me make she beat up me get from other pay. I know not the person all about the fix say that cause anywhere we go. So I sit down I said you know. Check it up. I'm here says it's never keep it PG or true because some juvenile there. Eh? Them know something tell me, I don't know. Eh? It's true or it's lie. You're one of the better man, the lingerie, you. Yo, pull up here. I remember saying the album launch night, I remember saying I have a set time and a half a gone or more. How much time I have left? You're the wicked people, you get a whole night. No, but on a serious note though, Jabba, you can't hire a rooster next time and stop make Jabba wake up people saying that frightened me out of sleep. Wake up people saying the blood. Jabba will love you and hate you, but God no. Eh? Eh? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Get your ackee and saltfish, no, the ackee no there. Get your plant on the planting. Hey, Jabba look like you might go too much of them Jamaican restaurants here. No matter what you order, no there. You can get a chicken, white meat. No white meat. We don't have that. And we can get a little plant. No rye planting. One more green plant. No green planting. You have green banana. No green banana. They won't have. Alright, sell me the pot then to write it. Alright, level. Big up all the hard-working people there. Big up all the hard-working people there. Because some people see up on cruise and think they're just so them think they don't understand what that song I mean. It's and tomorrow as we get the money. Level. You need to know, you know. When we on the banner rehearse, I say, maybe we take off Anthem out of the list. And them say, why? What you talk about? I say, Betty, they can't go on cruise and I tell you about Anthem out. When we look like I watch all, what they name? Wheel of Fortune and them something there. Cruise me only see on prize, you know. Win a brand new trip to wherever. So I say, them people are not going to know about Anthem out if them they on cruise. But when I sing the song, I say, everybody look at me like, what is he talking about? Eh? No, I don't hear nobody sing. I wonder if I Jamaica, I don't know. I'll try the song again. If you identify with the sentiments of the song, you can raise a hand like when you testify. You ready? Are you ready? So one hand go up there. Let me love some of the let it say. And tomorrow, as we get the money, and you feel like next month, as we get the money. At level. If you live outside of Jamaica, put up your hand. You see, I do the song for you know. Because you have some people from here, they are foreign them things from them call you must send it because you must have it, you know. Watch them people. And I know tell, hold on there. Foreign people never get a call like this. Why go on Angie? Boy, I'm not there. And then they shoot the breeze first. Boy, what time you mean say love and harmony go on nice? And then before you can answer them say, anyway. You know, so from Hurricane blow, my auntie did send a store, but the money, what she did send, the whole on panic because the one I number them did wrong. And through England and Jamaica, they pan different time and the blood rain. Anyway, let me think now, I say nothing from you know. Done? So I'm going to do a song like this. Come there, son, you know Dancehall. You know a song, yeah? If the don't change, we gon' do something about it. Hurry. Don't change, we gon' do something about it. But if I can't do it, let me say you never see me. What's a remix, yeah? Give me that one job. Not just up in a near brand suit, now mind them, yo. Just pick me the mark, be a foot and she in a near brand, go. We can't go in order. One more, two more, a few more. How much time do I have left? 5 minutes? We will tell you when, lady. When you were at high school, you did everything well figured out. And you were on your way to greatness. And it was seen and known from then. Big up on yourself. You run of applause for them. Yeah. But the people that like myself, yeah. When people you start push out their mouth by yourself. Hey. You know some Jamaican people go say, him. If your mother not pray for you, you mash up. So this is for the song now. For the people that want to write off of high school. You can take out your phone and you can put the camera on yourself, please. And ladies, that's gonna make it look extra dust up. Because when the post they say they pan Love and Harmony in 2026, they must say, right, it's she? Yes, she. Hey, watch her now. Hey, Love and Harmony. Oh, go and go tell them. Say we're winning right now, here we and we forget the trophy to what we're living right now. Tell them we're winning right now, yeah. And then we're chilling right now, Lord. Oh, we're winning right now. Our Thanksgiving right now. Sing a part, and this never like hey. So I'm going to them say, I'm weak. No man, you don't know what I say. Oh, sing it, baby, don't say that's your win. If you know you're winning, we're man, and I don't want man, you know. They watch and know. They sing and know. Tell them no. Say, I'm a wife in W. Oh, we turn them in and they dance in a trophy and bells. Every day you see me with the pan and next table. Break a type of cracking eggshells. Every single ounce of effort to expel. It's all about progress. I feel excel. So watch them. Looking like success, it just smell. Another knockout for the ring the next spell. We're about to send the haters and can't to get well because they're sick of it. Them see you on the Love and Harmony, they're sick of it. But that's the oldest of it. Yes, I hate it and they use it. See the party and the Love and Harmony. Say, I'm with it. No, me know you will. Say. Make them know so that's your win. Alright, we are down again, we are them. We are bad man, bye-bye for 2026. Hello, man, and the massive back up the world. I say we winning right now, baby. And we forget the trophy to what we living right. And then we chilling right now, Lord. Oh, we're winning right now. Our Thanksgiving right now, yeah. Every day you see me at the raining champ. And the cloud with the silver line we raining from. If you see some of the places where we hailing from, this was the type of place you should be failing from. But now I'm winning. Every quarter, every inning, and now open is to keep me to the words of that I'm singing on. You know that there's no giving in no matter the circumstances. One more time, I say, because I'm no never hear that take again. Oh, singing right the nose, so that's your win. It's about time for me to make my exodus. Again, if you enjoy the show, please raise your hand and let me know. Thank you very much. So, how much time left, sir? Alright. Them just 5 minutes away, lovely. What are you? I'm far from a place named Kentire. Kentire must be big up. My cousin them there to the Baileys, big up on yourself. Augustone, big up. The whole of Garden Town, Standpipe, anyway. But that song I do. Just we stay afloat, we run joke just we go. And here we know, social mobility, limited scope. But mama make me know say time long rope. And we not frightened of we not look how we used to go we go. From food stamp and no stamp full up with passport. Hey juvenile no put no gun in your transport. We collect no banknote, that are the wrong sport. Everybody want a bus like public transport. We are only for everything. No man on the put a first and second and how much your music comfort. Oh, Mr. Karma, because some people look like them around here or something. So the what I say, growing up on the banks of the old one. We never give up, we never lose hope. We never say no, and never say no. My favorite part is Mall roads up road to back road. We have to make a mark like the chart on the blackboard. Yes, we have to do a thing to mama pot load. I'm swearing now to take a black load. So level now, whole a tavern, hope flat to come and tin mackerel have to kill because we now go for salmon and we now go on the station. Answer to the summons, putting up resistance. Tell them no, we put our first and second hand. Oh, watch your blessings come forth, your blessings come forth. Oh yes, it is like the miracle to make you think. Want to sing about that to me, love and all the massive say. Growing up on the lands of the home. We never give up and we never lose hope. Never say no and never say no. Thank you. My time done, lady. What you talking about? Hey, what you want to hear, so now? No. I love you too, my darling. Enough respect. Big respect. Give her a round of applause there. She's showing some love and harmony. Lord, my heart full. I'm not ball though. But what on there? The sea is calm away. How ironic. When you change out a smooth sailing sea ship, yeah, that may I tell you now, all our vibes and enjoy yourself. Remember say, who got this? The Almighty and go take. Oh, the Lord will not forsake. Don't make me so by the hand. There was a nothing man and the gate. We don't hear if they made. If you at least know one Bible verse, once you're down, we'll follow my harmony. And watch out, no Father Mary, speak up yourself. Hey, me say them want to give me a thing, they know them. Yeah, do we not know? I see the Lord, my shepherd, I shall not. Shall not give me any blessing, that I could need the plan. He made the me to lie down in still water. But I'm on the first. Say you're double, I'm on to the man. No man, I'm on the say. Say the Almighty, I will pay. So the Lord will not forsake. Somebody man and he came. We don't hear him today. Tell him so my God not forsake. So Jana. Oh yes, man, I say. Oh yes, we call upon the Father in the time of trouble. Call upon the Father, I profit not the struggle, but I do things sticky. We keep a pride. The Lord provides some people can't base a bubble. Stay by his side, try to leave him alone. Him always the yard in the war zone. He make David slew Goliath with a stick and a stone. Love and arm and massive, I love you to the bone. The Almighty, I will take me. Oh, the Lord will not forsake. So Jana, I love and respect. I'll see you next time. My name is Agent Sasco Massive. Give it up for the man on the side, the sound angel. So Jana, come on, be so back. Boy, come on. Yo. Give it up. Give it up! Give it up! Agent Sasco! A.K.A. Assassin! And the man on the stage! If you think that was a great performance, put your 2 hands in the air! Thank you. Gee, what a performance. I told you it's one of the greatest, one of the cleanest, one of the humblest. You love that work there? Good, don't you? Well, the show must continue. But first and foremost, I must thank the Almighty God for all that.